2, 1, open! Oh my gosh!
And play!
Hi, today our grandma dropped off our early birthday presents. Because of the COVID-19, she can't come on our birthday apparently, I think. So these are just our early birthday presents. 3, 2, 1, open! Oh my gosh! It's a princess nail kit!
A music book. Lucy.
Can we open these? I really want to open the nail kit.
That is pretty cool.
Let's see the songs I can play.
Marissa, let me see that. Wow.
Here.
Piper, what do you have?
I have a music book, but I didn't order this.
Actually, you did. Those are all the Disney songs that you wanted to learn to play. And then look at all those nail polishes. That's for both of you to share, it looks like. Oh my goodness. If you play those Disney songs and you put a ticket in the bucket, what's going to happen?
I get a card.
Wow.
May I please have some scissors, Mother? Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Queen. Like these colors.
Mother, do you like this color?
Oh, I just love the blue color.
Mother, do you like these
Let's
colors?
see yours.
They're shimmery.
Oh, I do. Are you going to paint your nails in a pattern?
Yes, I am. It starts as purple and it's pink. Starts as pink and it's purple.
That sounds wonderful.
No, let's stop painting.
Okay, Bristol's gonna start painting.
You mean Anastasia?
Okay, just moving her fingers. Oh, that looks lovely with your shirt. Oh,
And
I'm
it
so excited that you
smells
got
so good.
fingernail polish for your birthdays. You got 18 bottles of fingernail polish. And here's Piper painting her own nails.
You mean Trizella?
I know, we're pretending that we have different names. We're playing Cinderella, and this is Anastasia. And this is Drizella. There's Anastasia. Anastasia, smile. Just in case the prince is looking and I'm the evil stepmother. All right. Oh, that looks just beautiful and sparkly. Oh, wait, hold. There you go. Oh, that looks really nice.
No, the nail polish fell. Luckily it didn't spill out.
We'll see if you recognize this tune. Good. D. Good. B. C. B. A. G. G. Good. Good. Good reach. C. E. Keep going. Go back down. D. C. G. Oh, A. A. D. E. F. E. Nope, nope, that E. Good. E. D. G. Reach with your pinky. G. F. E. G. C. Bristol, where'd you get all this Disney music from?
Grandma.
Grandma. Nice playing. She's only been practicing that for about 7 or 8 minutes. Great job.
Thank you, Grandma. So don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up button and don't forget to click that bell icon. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Play with you next time.
Play with you next time.